Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, gold made a big push up last night in the Asian session, and it did go up beyond the 161.8, which has been my target for quite some time. Now, this is a really good lesson right here because last night I was saying it looks like it could possibly go down and make a wave C, but I also said last night that I would not be participating in this sort. Why would I not go short on gold? Because gold is in one of the biggest uptrends ever on the monthly, on the weekly, huge uptrend, daily, huge uptrend, 4 hour, huge uptrend. 1 hour time frame, there's not even a breaker structure on the 1 hour, so there is no reason whatsoever to go short. The problem with most traders is you go down to like the 1 hour time frame range and you say, oh look, it's gonna go down, I'm gonna go short. But you don't even pay attention to the fact that every single higher time frame is in a major uptrend. The trend is your friend. I would have done nothing probably for the past probably 6 months to a year or so, except for look for logs on gold. So really, right now, what would we be doing? I would be looking for longs. This 161.8 has been my target for a long time, but this does not look like something that's going to end. If anything, it's probably a 1, 2, 3. It definitely doesn't even have to end now. It could drift up more. The fact that it went beyond this 161.8 tells me that it might even go up to the next Fibonacci level, which is actually quite a ways up there. Our next Fibonacci level to pay attention to is probably the $3,340 range. So yeah, there's no reason whatsoever, fundamentally or technically, why gold should stop here. And there's no reason to look for shorts because literally every single higher time frame is in a uptrend. So as always, I would still be recommending nothing but short longs in an uptrend. I would not be trying to short gold. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.